shit. Nice!
First 10 feet, baby.
First 10 feet. You! Right here, people. First morning. Me and Lex here. Old Luger. Morning.
You're making your first putt. Is that the first time you took anything in it?
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
You gotta have a fiddle in the band. That lead guitar is hot, but not for Louisiana man.
Yep. Oh. Alrighty. So this was home last night. This is what we woke up to. Nice little green pasture. We're in Childress, Texas, I think. We're about 8 hours away from Denver, which is our first real stop. We've just kind of been chugging along, staying in hotel parking lots, which aren't bad. Pretty safe, no one really messes with you. And then you get to go inside and steal the cream and sugar when you're up in the morning for coffee. That right. This is home right here. Whoa, check it out. It is a real life tumbleweed. Dude. You don't get these things in Florida. Oh, these are only on like old Western movies and shit. So yeah, the wind is moving right now. We're about at like 27 or 28 miles an hour. I just checked the weather. And it's 40 degrees, so that makes the wind chill down to like 25. So that's not too far. But yeah, we're headed to Denver. Got about 8 more hours to go. And then we're at our first real stop. We've just been chugging along. So yeah.
Oh, bubbles.
Chicken dinner, 174, dude. We could get across the world on that budget.
Yes, sir.
Woo! So big.
Well, we came to a closed road and we ignored the sign, kept fucking going.
We finally caught up to a car that's dumb enough to do what we're doing.
And this is what the road looks like.
It's been about 30 minutes, what do you say, 30 minutes? Of like 18 miles an hour.
Yeah, roughly.
There's literally no road. I think
It's not good.
Just ice. We're officially ice road truckers.
Doesn't look good on GPS either. We may be probably getting to Denver in like 2.5 days. We're 380 miles away.
380?
About that. 345. Stand corrected.
They wanted to turn around, but I said nope. Just FYI.
So we're gonna follow this excursion right here.
Seems like a trusty old fella.
Hope everything goes okay and we don't die. Find out next week on 2 weeks, 1 truck. 2 weeks, 1 truck. Gonna have to edit that part out. 2 guys, 1 truck.
Oh. Yeah. What
What's up, baby?
So emotional.
It's sad, man.
I love you guys. This is great.
We out here in Breck, 2K18, celebrating the new year in style. Riding, grinding, having a good time. You know, we living life, living life. Get it? Hello, yeah. Come on, let's go.